Hello friends, this is Salini. Today we are going to discuss about electric power. What is electric power? So we will define here what is electric power. So we are looking the rate of change of electric power per unit time. This is called the rate of change of electric work. Rate of change of electric work per unit time. This is called the electric power. In other words, we can say that the electric power may be defined as the electric work per unit time is called the electric power. It is denoted by P. So mathematically power may be defined as P is equal to electric work. If it is denoted by W, then W per means upon time T. So power may be defined as capital P is equal to W by T, where W is equal to work done upon T is equal to time. Okay, P is equal to W by T, where W is equal to work done and T is equal to time. So the unit of power is पावर की यूनिट क्या है? तो इज P इज इक्वल टू यूनिट ऑफ वर्क डन अपॉन यूनिट ऑफ टाइम. What is the unit of work done? That is the joule. And what is the unit of time? That is the second. Okay, then that is called the joule per second or watt. Okay, the unit of power is equal to joule per second or watt. Okay, so and different unit of power kilowatt. So 1 kilowatt equal to kilogram, as like kilogram, so 1000 watt. Okay, 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. So it is the another unit, it is the big unit of the power. So 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. Okay, so one important thing is one important thing is kilowatt hour. It is the unit of energy. Okay, kilowatt hour, it is the unit of energy. And kilowatt, unit of power. So note that here, if the hour is multiplied by kilowatt or watt, then it becomes the unit of energy. V becomes the unit of energy when hours is multiplied with the kilowatt or with the watt. अगर आवर क्या है? टाइम है. अगर ये टाइम पावर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो हमें किसकी यूनिट मिलेगी? एनर्जी की. और अगर किलोवाट ही केवल लिखा है तो हमें किसकी यूनिट मिलेगी? पावर की. हाउ, कैसे? आइए डिस्कस करते हैं. P इज इक्वल टू W बाई T. P क्या है? पावर है. पावर की यूनिट वाट इज इक्वल टू, ये वर्क डन है, जूल यह वर्क, ये हो गया टाइम, सेकेंड। ओके, वाट इंटू सेकेंड, देखिए वाट इंटू सेकेंड इक्वल टू, ये जूल हो गया। और जूल किसकी यूनिट है? एनर्जी की। ठीक, ओके। सो वाट इंटू सेकेंड मीन्स की पावर इंटू टाइम। जहां पे पावर और टाइम का मल्टीप्लाई होगा वो यूनिट किसका देगी? एनर्जी की। ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। कई बार पूछ चुका है कि किलो वाट आवर्स किसकी यूनिट है, तो हमेशा ध्यान लिए रहिए किलो वाट आवर्स जो है हमारे एनर्जी की यूनिट है और किलो वाट हमारा किसका यूनिट है? पावर की। हमेशा ध्यान दिए रहिए, टाइम है तो पावर है, टाइम है तो पावर है, टाइम है तो एनर्जी है, टाइम नहीं है तो पावर है। ये हमारे यूनिट होती है पावर की। ठीक, ओके। यू कैन लुक हियर। अब देखिए पावर के डिफरेंट फार्मूले क्या है? डिफरेंट फार्मूले ऑफ पावर। ओके, वन फार्मूला P इज इक्वल टू W बाई T। P इज इक्वल टू W बाई T। Now already we know that if V is voltage, I is current and T is time, then the W is equal to P into I into T. W is equal to V into I into T. So it is our equation 1, it is our equation 2. Putting these value in equation first, we get P is equal to V into I into T upon T, and that is equal to T cancel out. Then one formula P is equal to V into I. First formula is that P is equal to V into I, and second from Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R, V is equal to I into R. Putting this value in this equation, P is equal to I R into I, and that is equal to I square R. So second formula is P is equal to I square R. Okay, this formula, this is our A, this is our B. It is our first formula, it is our second formula, and our third formula is that P is equal to VI. Ohm's law, from Ohm's law V is equal to IR. अब की I की वैल्यू निकालेंगे तो I is equal to V by R. Putting this value in this equation, P is equal to V into I के प्लेस पे क्या लिख दें? V by R, and that is equal to V into V square by R. So P is equal to V square by R. It is our third formula. So again we can write here P is equal to V by R, P is equal to I square R, P is equal to W by T, and P is equal to V into I. This is our formula. You can write here it is our formula. This formula is used in when we are going to solve the numerical portion. Okay, थैंक यू। और अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो मेरी तरफ से लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दीजिएगा। ओके, बाय, टेक केयर।